Hello everybody, it's Maura Paula. Today we are going to play some fun games on a 10 frame. So what you need is a 10 frame. A 10 frame is almost like a picture frame with 10 boxes. And you can make this up very easily yourself. All you need is to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in the top row, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the bottom row, and it's inside a frame. So you have 10 equal sized boxes inside a frame called a 10 frame. I have different kinds of counters. I have just rocks from outside, and I have gems. I also made a spinner. This is a very easy peasy spinner. All you need to do is cut a circle out of a piece of cardboard or use the inside of an empty box of cereal. Make a hole in the middle and put a paper clip in the center and stick a paper fastener through. I did not have a paper fastener, so I just took another paper clip, opened it up, pushed it through, and folded it out on the back to hold the paper clip. And then we section it off into 3 sections, numbering 1, 2, 3. And when you spin, ta-da, you have a spinner. Or you can use dice and number cards. And a great thing about the 10 frame is that it helps with one-to-one correspondence, so that each box only gets one item and you only count one item. Each item has one number assigned to it. So we can start like this. We can put one item in each box and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 items, one in each box. And then we can start counting from the top. We start from the left and we count to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you notice that I touched every item. Each time I touch one item, I give it another number. I make sure that I touch each one and each one gets a different number. Okay, now I take these off and we can play a couple of games. I'm going to use the spinner and this time use our colorful gems. So I spin and I land on a 3 and I start at the top left and I go from left to right and I count 1, 2, 3. And then I spin again and I land on a 1, 1. Spin again, oops, another 1. And I keep spinning, another 1, oh my heavens. Another spin and I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And my last spin is a 1. Let's see, how many do I have? I'm going to make sure to touch every gem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now another way you can play is you can throw your dice. And I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 7 more to fill up my 10 frame. I throw the dice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many we have so far. And I make sure to touch each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do I have left? 1, 2. Let's see if I can roll a 2. Nope, I rolled a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that's okay. We're just going to put these on here and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I touch 1, and each one that I touch gets a different number, a different name. And that's how I fill up my 10 frame. Or you can use number cards. And you can play with someone in your family. You can hold up a card and that person can put that amount on their 10 frame. So I'm holding up this number, 1, and I count 1. And then I will hold up another number, let's say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I need to fill up my 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I find the number 5 card? Yes, I can. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to count to make sure I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can play with your family, and each of you can have your own 10 frame. And each time you have a turn, you can count how many you filled up. Let's say we filled up with the number 2, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can have a race to see who fills up their 10 frame first, or who has the most on their 10 frame each time you pick a card, or throw the dice, or spin your spinner. There are lots of ways to play this, and the most important is to learn how to count. One object gets one number. And that's all for today. Hope you have a good time playing with your spinner and your 10 frame and whatever counters you have. And see you next time. Bye-bye.